Wait a minute. Did someone say pay-as-you-go AI? It's like the 80s all over again, but instead of like payphones, we've got artificial intelligence on tap. Microsoft's gone and done it again with this Copilot Chat thingy. I mean, who needs a DeLorean when you've got AI that can do your homework, write your emails, and maybe even find you a date? Maybe, not the last one.
While I appreciate your enthusiasm, Maxine, I think it's important to focus on the practical implications here. This isn't just about reliving the 80s with a high-tech twist. Microsoft's Copilot Chat represents a significant shift in how businesses, especially smaller ones, can access and utilize AI. We're talking about a pay-as-you-go model that could potentially democratize AI, making it as commonplace as, say, a spreadsheet.
Spreadsheets, bow ring, but you're right, Don, this is huge. And guess what? We've got someone here who's practically an AI guru, the big cheese, the top dog of leveraging AI for businesses. Please welcome Scott Farrell from Leverage AI. Scott, tell us, are we all going to be replaced by robots, or is this Copilot Chat thing the real deal?
Thanks for having me. It's exciting to be here at such a pivotal time for AI. To answer your question, Maxine, no, we're not all going to be replaced by robots just yet. Think of Copilot Chat as a powerful tool, an assistant, not a replacement. What Microsoft has done is quite remarkable. They've essentially taken the core capabilities of their more expensive AI suite and made them available in a much more flexible and affordable way. This opens up a world of possibilities for businesses that previously couldn't justify the investment. I've seen firsthand how AI can transform operations, and this makes that transformation accessible to so many more.
That's a crucial point, Scott. One of the biggest hurdles for AI adoption, especially for smaller businesses, has been the cost. The previous model of a fixed, per-user subscription was a significant barrier. With this pay-as-you-go approach, businesses can dip their toes in the water, experiment, and scale at their own pace. But I'm curious, what are your thoughts on the potential limitations? Are there any trade-offs with this more accessible model?
Of course, there are always considerations. While Copilot Chat offers a lot of the core functionality, it's not a one-to-one replacement for the full Microsoft 365 Copilot suite. There are some advanced features and deeper integrations that you'll still find in the subscription model. But for many businesses, especially those just starting their AI journey, Copilot Chat provides more than enough to see significant benefits. It's about finding the right tool for the job, and this expands the toolbox considerably.
So it's like choosing between a totally rad sports car and a, still pretty cool but maybe less flashy sedan. You get the speed and some of the thrills without, like, breaking the bank. I can dig it. But Scott, let's talk about these agents they keep mentioning. Are we talking secret agents? Double agents? Agent 007 with a license to automate?
Chuckles. Not quite secret agents, Maxine, but they are pretty powerful. These AI agents are essentially customizable assistants that you can train to perform specific tasks within your business. For example, you could have an agent that monitors your customer support emails, flags urgent issues, and even drafts responses. Or an agent that analyzes sales data and generates reports. It's about automating those repetitive, time-consuming tasks so your team can focus on more strategic, creative work. I've seen businesses create agents that have saved them countless hours and significantly improved efficiency.
That's fascinating, Scott. It sounds like these agents could be a real game changer for productivity. But it also raises questions about the skills gap. Do businesses need specialized AI expertise to effectively utilize these tools? Or is Copilot Chat designed to be user-friendly enough for anyone to pick up and use?
That's a great question, Don, and it's something Microsoft has clearly thought about. While there's always a learning curve with new technology, Copilot Chat is designed to be relatively intuitive. The interface is user-friendly, and there are plenty of resources and tutorials available. That said, to truly maximize the potential of these AI agents, some level of understanding of AI principles and best practices is beneficial. It's not about becoming a programmer, but rather about learning how to effectively communicate with and guide these AI tools.
So it's like, you don't need to be a a rocket scientist, but knowing which end of the rocket to point up is probably a good idea? Got it! This is all so mind-blowing. I'm picturing a future where I can just tell my computer to write me a hit 80s song and it'll just do it. Is that where we're headed, Scott?
Laughs, we're certainly moving in a direction where AI can assist with creative tasks, Maxine. Copilot Chat can already help with brainstorming ideas, drafting content, and even generating images. So, while it might not write a chart-topping hit on its own just yet, it can definitely be a valuable creative partner. The key is to think of AI as a collaborator, a tool that amplifies human creativity and ingenuity, not replaces it.
That's a great way to put it, Scott. AI is a collaborator, not a competitor. It's about finding that synergy between human intelligence and artificial intelligence to achieve things that neither could do alone. And with Copilot Chat, that synergy is becoming more accessible than ever before.
All right, people. You heard it here first. The future is now, and it's, totally awesome. Thanks to Microsoft and visionaries like Scott, we're all getting a front row seat to the AI revolution. And who knows, maybe one day I'll have my own AI band, and we'll be bigger than Duran Duran. A girl can dream, right?
Size only time will tell, Maxine. But one thing's for sure. The world of AI is evolving at an incredible pace, and tools like Copilot Chat are making it an exciting time to be in business.
That's all the time we have for today's episode. Thanks for joining us, Scott. It's been a blast. And to all you listeners out there, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this podcast with your friends, your boss, your dog, everyone. Until next time, stay rad and don't be afraid to let AI be your co-pilot on the highway to the danger zone. Or, just to success, whatever works.